can we give God our hearts? If we don't understand these things, we'll make a terrible mistake. How can we give God our hearts? Because it is the heart that God is interested, and that is the only thing that He has ever asked of. Give me your heart. He said, give me your heart that I may live in it. If you read scripture, you say God has not given us the heart of fear or timid, but it's of sound mind. What is a sound mind? It's a sign that is free from guilt, free from evil thoughts, free from greed, free from jealousy, free from all of those kind of things, iniquities, evil desires, and all of those evil cravings. And what is evil? Anything that God does not support is evil. It might be like a game to you, but if God is not in support of it, it is evil. Anything that God is not in support of, it is evil. No matter how good that thing might look, no matter how cute that thing might look, no matter how distant that thing might look, oh, you might enjoy in it. If it's evil in the eyes of God, it is evil. We are still in the topic. We want to build a healthy home. We want to build a godly home because we've talked about all the mistakes. And that is why we are in this topic. Let's go back. The relationship, the first relationship that we ever had. He said, give me your heart. Where is your heart? My sister, where is your heart? My brother, where is your heart? Let's go back. Let's go back and reclaim the lost mandate, the relationship that we have with God. Let us go back. Let's build a godly home. Yes, that mistake have been there. Yes, you might have seen it. Yes, you might have gone through a whole lot of drama with that man, with that woman. But let's come back. I told you the other time, it's so much better to deal with what you have. Except when it comes to that serious abuse and narcissistic abuse, then there are certain things when it comes to life threatening, we don't compromise. Something might appear good, but they are evil in nature. So get rid of all of those things. Anything that God is not in support of in your relationship, get rid of it. That is the only way we can regain a sound mind. Because it's the mind that is freed from all of those messy things that God does not want. And that is the kind of mind you give to God. Remember, God accepted Abel before he accepts the gift. He needs to accept first your heart before he answered the prayer. He said he searched the intention of man. And what is the intention of man? It is your heart. Because out of the heart, the mind, that is where all the cooking of every evil is starting from. So he's interested in that heart. He said, give me that. Can you give God your heart today? Can you give God your heart today? So he will take charge of things, everything holistically. Can you give God your heart today? Give God your heart. That's all he ever asked us. Remember what you're asking him for. Millions, thousands of requests, petition every time we come for prayer. Sometimes we don't even thank the Lord mostly. All the time. Father, give me this. Lord, give me this. Oh, give me that. Oh, my children. Oh, my job. Oh, my data. Oh, my this. All the time we are asking. One request we have ever asked for. Give me your heart. Give me your heart. So I may dwell in it. Give me your heart. All of these things that we are looking for, fighting around looking for, it will be easy if we just do what he asks us. Get rid of everything that God does not want. Let it flushed out.